Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to describe how you can highlight a selected boundary zone of a model that is displayed in the graphics window. First of all, note that this is only applicable to 3D cases and is available only in the Boundary Conditions task page. For start, just double-click on Boundary Condition. You can see the Boundary Condition task page. By this menu, you can change the categorize of your boundary condition and change it to zone type. At the bottom of this page, you can see the highlight zone option. By clicking on your desired boundary condition, for example, back wall, select highlight zone option. The selected boundary condition will display in graphical window. By changing the boundary condition in the task page, you can see your boundary condition. For example, by clicking on walls, you can see the walls boundary condition is surrounding your geometry. For a better visualization, you can use display menu and use outline option in the edge type and select colors menu and select color by ID. Close this window and display again. You can see that your geometry appearance will be changed. The grid will disappear in this view of your geometry, so it is easy for you to see your boundary condition easily. For example, click on the back or front or walls boundary condition. So you can identify your desired boundary condition by clicking on it, and it will be appear in your graphical window. Thank you for watching.